So in this video we are going to learn fraction addition. As you can see, the first question is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 and the result is 7 by 4. Answer is 7 by 12, and we will see how we get 7 by 12. So first thing that you have to pay attention is that check if the denominators are equal. Like in this case, the first fraction has denominator 4, whereas the second fraction has the denominator 3. So first thing that we have to do is to make the denominators equal. Now how to make the denominators equal? So we have to think of common multiple. 4 times 3 gives us 12. Similarly, 3 times 4 gives us 12. What does that mean? If we multiply 1 by 4, the first fraction, with 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator, we get 3 over 12. Similarly, the second fraction, 1 by 3, and we need to multiply the numerator as well as denominator by 4. So here we get 4 times 1, 4, and 3 times 4, 12. So we can write this equals to this, which is finally equal to this. And the next step would be to write the denominator, because it is 12 in both the case. So write the denominator just once and add the numerators. So numerator is 3 plus 4. So our final answer is 7 over 12. I hope it is clear. Thank you. Now in the second question, as you can, it is 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5. The answer it shows is 1. So let us check. Now, as I told you in the previous case, we first need to check the denominators. If denominators are same in both the cases, we need not equalize them because they are already equal. So now next step is you simply write 5 here and then write the numerators together. So 2 plus 3, and the answer finally you get is 5 over 5, and 5 over 5 is 1. So our answer is 1. The one that you can see over here. I hope it is clear. In case you have any doubt, you can always ask in the comment section. Thank you very much. Now just take a look at the third question. Question number 3 is 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. So as explained earlier, first we will take a look at the denominators, and if denominators are same, we just need to draw a line and put 8 in the denominator, just single 8, and then numerators are to be written like this, both the numerators 3 plus 5, and then you add the numerators, so 8 over 8, which gives you 1. So answer again is 1. This is a mistake over here. This has to be 1. So I hope explanation so far is clear again. Thank you very much. Now we have fraction multiplication. So how to multiply two fractions? As you can see, the first question is 2 by 3 times 3 by 5. So all we need to do is multiply the numerators. So 2 times 3, and multiply the denominators, that is 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now 6 by 15 we can write it, but if you see, 3 is the greatest common divisor. greatest common divisor, GCD. So greatest common divisor is 3. That means you can cancel out 3, 6 and 15 by 3. So cancelling 6 by 3 gives you 2. You can write like this, 2. And cancelling 15 by 3 gives you 5. So our answer is going to be 2 by 5. Similarly, in the second example, if you take a look, it is 7 here and 4 here and 8 here and 9 here. So this method you can understand. In this method I am not going to multiply first. I will simply cancel out the numbers here itself. 4 and 8. Greatest common divisor is 4 in this case for 4 and 8. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Similarly 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now you can check this number also. So it doesn't have the greatest common divisor other than 1. So now you can just multiply 7 and this 1 and 2 and this 9. So that gives you 7 by 18, and that is your answer. I hope you are getting my explanation. Let us take a look at example 3. We have to multiply the two fractions 6 by 15 times 8 by 16. Now if you give a close look, what do you observe? 6 and 15. Both are multiples of 3. So you can cancel it out. 6 divided by 3 gives you 2. 15 divided by 3 gives you 5. Similarly, in this case, 8 and 16. So both are multiples. Both are divisible by 8. 8 divided by 8 gives you 1. 16 divided by 8 gives you 2. Now the remaining numbers that are left at the top and bottom, just you have to write it like this. 2 times 1 all over 5 times 2. And then we notice this 2 is here at the top and 2 is here at the bottom. So again we can cancel them. So 2 divided by 2 gives you 1, 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. So finally we are left with 1 times 1 divided by 5 times 1. That is 1 over 5, and that is our answer. I am going here to explain you what numbers can be cancelled. So you can cancel this number. Suppose this is our first fraction and this is our second fraction. So you can cancel any number at the top with any number at the bottom. We can cancel this, or we can cancel this with this, or we can cancel this with this. One should be from the top and the other should be from the bottom. But we cannot cancel the two numbers at the top or two numbers at the bottom. For example, 16, 32, 18 and 36. Now we can cancel 16 and 32 or 16 and 36. Similarly, we can cancel 18 and 32 or 18 and 36. Provided we are able to figure out the highest common factor. We cannot cancel, I am repeating, the two numbers at the top or two numbers at the bottom. And no matter how you cancel, you will always get the same answer. For example, in this case, this 16 and 32 I will cancel out with 4, because 16 times 4 gives you 4. 16 divided by 4 gives you 4. 32 divided by 4 gives you 8, and then you can again cancel out 4 and 8. 4 divided by 4 gives you 1. 8 divided by 4 gives you 2. Similarly, you can cancel 18 and 36. So you can cancel it with 3. So 18 divided by 3 gives you 6. 36 divided by 3 gives you 12. And then 6 and 12 you can cancel out. 6 divided by 6 gives you 1. 12 divided by 6 gives you 2. Now you are left with 1 and 1 in the numerator and 2 and 2 in the denominator. So our answer would be 1 times 1 divided by 2 times 2. And then our final answer is 1 times 1 is 1 by 2 times 2 is 4. And that is our answer. Now here I am going to show, I will cancel in a different way and still you will get the same answer. Earlier I cancelled 16 and 32, 18 and 36, so vertically. Now I am going to cancel out the digits diagonally. So 16 and 36 if you cancel out, you can cancel it out by 4. 16 divided by 4 gives you 4. 36 divided by 4 gives you 9. Then again you cancel these two numbers 18 and 32. So you can cancel it by 2. So 18 divided by 2 gives you 16. 18 divided by 2 gives you 9. Similarly 32 divided by 2 gives you 16. Now this is 9 and this is 9, so you can cancel by 9. 9 times 1 and 9 divided by 9 gives you 1. Similarly, you can cancel 4 and 16. So 4 divided by 4 gives you 1. 16 divided by 4 gives you 4. So you are finally getting the answer 1 times 1, 4 times 1, that is 1 by 4. So here you get the same answer you got as you got in the previous case. So the learning is, no matter how you cancel these digits, you are always going to get the same answer. And only thing that you have to be careful about is that you don't take the two numbers at the top and two numbers at the bottom. Always one number at the top and one number from the bottom. They can be vertically up and down or diagonally, doesn't matter. I hope the entire explanation was clear to you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.